The layout for these three back-to-back vents is as follows. The first is 18 inches from the panel to the back side of the 90. The second 21 inches and the third 24 inches. And the height for the first one is 75 inches, for the second is 81 inches, and for the third 85 inches. So these are all back-to-back vents. The third conduit is a S-shaped back-to-back. So we are going to proceed marking and bending the conduits. We're going to start down here as we come out from the panel. So this set of 90s we're going to bend first. So we have to mark the first conduit 18 inches minus 6 inches, 12 inches. 21 inches minus 6, 15. 24 minus 6, 18. Gonna bend 90 degrees. So we are going to follow the same procedure for the second conduit and for the third conduit. Marking the total length of the height, or in the field this will be also called the leg. So let's call it leg for the purpose of this video. So the leg you mark 81 inches and use the star and bend 90 degrees. Same thing this one, the third will be at 85 and use the star again and bend 90 degrees. So in other words, the set of 90s down here, we are going to use the arrow, and the 90s up there in the top of the wall, we are going to use the star. The third conduit is a S shape, not a U shape. So in that case, we need to find the staircase and leave this part of the 90 dangling here, so we can bend this side of the S without any problem using the star at 85 inches. So that is it for these three conduits.